Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Answer the Public for content ideas. So first head over to Google, type in Answer the Public, click on the first link. You'll be directed to the Answer the Public official website. So if I choose search keywords, add USA, for example, how to cook bacon, for example, hit enter. This will get you some answers, questions and ideas about how to cook bacon keyword. So you'll get AI prompts, you'll get the top ideas, the questions, the organic searches that people search on this. So you get the organic detailed search, how to pick in the microwave. So you get an idea of this kind of content for that keyword. So if you're going to create a blog post or a YouTube video, Answer the Public is your best choice. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.